Have you ever tried to find a specific chair in Coohom, but no matter what you search, it just doesn't appear? You scroll, change keywords, try different categories, still nothing. And when a client sends you a specific brand design, that's where things get frustrating. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful tool inside Coohom that most people don't even know exists. And this tool can literally find the exact or similar model just from an image. Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to solve one of the biggest problems in Coohom, finding a specific model when it's not easily found in the public library. Yes, Coohom has thousands of models, but sometimes you need a specific brand chair or a client-given reference image, and you just can't find it. So let me show you the hidden solution, the camera tool. Let's say we want to add a lounge chair in this living room. I go to the public library, then click on the search icon and type lounge chair. There are many results, but when I try to find a specific brand style design, I can't find it. This is where many designers stop. They think it's not available, but that's not true. Now the question is, what does this camera tool actually do? Simple answer, the camera tool allows you to upload an image of a model, and Coohom will search its public library to find the exact or closest matching 3D model. Yes, you upload an image and Coohom finds the model for you. Most people don't use this tool. Most people don't even know it exists. Step 1. Find your reference image. First, we need an image of the model we want. I open my browser, then I search lounge chair. I scroll and find a design that matches what I need. When I find the image, hover over it, left-click, click Save Image As, save it into your folder. That's it. Step 2. Upload image in Coohom. Now we go back to Coohom. Click on the camera tool, then click Upload. Select the image we just downloaded. Now, Coohom will analyze the image, and within seconds, it will show you the exact or very similar models from the public library. And just like that, problem solved. Testing with a more complex model. Now, let's try something more complex. Let's search for a wooden designer chair. Again, open browser, search, save the image, upload through the camera tool, and you'll see this tool is extremely helpful when you're working with specific brand designs, client-provided references, unique furniture styles. Instead of wasting time searching manually, you let the AI search visually. Important note, now listen carefully. If you upload an image and Coohom doesn't show the exact model, that means the model is currently not available in the Coohom library. In that case, you have two options: upload your own 3D model into Coohom or create the model manually inside Coohom. So the tool works only if something similar exists in the system, but most of the time, it saves a lot of time. Why this tool is powerful? Think about this. As designers, we often follow brand references, match Pinterest inspiration, work with client images, and manually searching takes too long. This camera tool makes your workflow faster, more professional, and more accurate, and that's how you design smarter. So today, you learned why searching normally sometimes fails, how to use the camera tool, how to upload an image and find similar models, what to do if the model isn't available. Coohom gives us many powerful tools, but sometimes we don't use them simply because we don't know about them.
I hope this tutorial helps you save time in your next project. And if you're planning to upgrade your Coohom plan to unlock premium features, use my exclusive promo code HOMEDESIGNER to get up to 73% off, or HD Elite for 10% off on Coohom Pro or Elite plans. It's a great way to save money and support this channel. If this helped you, like the video, comment below if you've ever struggled finding a model, and subscribe for more Coohom tutorials. See you in the next one.